Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go over the question. A printer's input capacity is the maximum number of sheets of paper the printer can hold at one time. The table below gives the distribution of input capacities of a randomly selected group of printers. Okay, in the table, in the first column, we have input capacities. In the second column, frequency. Frequency means the number of printers. That is, there are three printers with the input capacity of 200 pages each, and there are four printers with the input capacity of 300, and there are X number of printers with the input capacity of 400, and 10 printers with the input capacity 500, and 10 printers with input capacity of 600. If the median input capacity of these printers is 400 pages, what is the maximum possible value of X? Actually, X represents a number of printers with input capacity of 400 pages each, and we have to find the maximum possible value of this X. That is, we have to find the maximum possible number of printers with input capacity of 400 pages each. Okay, now first let me draw a number line at where we have the input capacity in pages. Since 400 is the median, we have to write 400 at the middle. Okay, so here we have 500, and here we have 600, and there are 10 printers with the input capacity of 500 each. So here we have 10 printers. At 600 also we have 10 printers. So totally we have 20 printers over here with the input capacities of 500 and 600. And this 400 is the median. And let me take just one printer with input capacity of 400. This is being as a median. Okay, to the right side of this median, how many printers do we have? There are 20 printers. So with the input capacity of 500 and 600. Since we have 20 printers to the right side of this median, on the left side also we must have 20 printers so that this one can be median. So already we have some stuff over here. That is, there are three printers with input capacity of 200. Let me write it over here. So there are three printers with input capacity of 200, and there are four printers with input capacity of 300 each. Let me write it over here. Okay, so here we have 7 printers, but we need 20 printers to the left side of this median. So now we have 7 printers. We need 13 more printers. So what can be the input capacity of those 13 printers over here? It may be 350 or 360, something like that. But our aim is to find the maximum possible value of X. That is a maximum possible number of printers with input capacity of 400. So I assume those 13 printers will have the input capacity of 400 pages each. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to count the number of printers with input capacity of 400 pages each. So here we have 13 printers with input capacity of 400. So here there is one printer which is being as a median with input capacity of 400. So we have a total of 14 printers with input capacity of 400 pages. That's the maximum possible number of printers with input capacity of 400 pages each. And that's also the value of X, because X represents the number of printers with input capacity of 400 pages each. So therefore the maximum possible value of X is 14.